a frozen margarita, guaranteed to give your hot wife hypothermia. To frost this rim with a little bit of salt, my wife likes an entire salted rim, so that's what I give her. Sit this thing aside for a few minutes, let it dry off. The first step of making any great frozen margarita is your choice of tequila, and today we're using Supremacia Tequila. Link in my profile if you want to buy yourself a bottle or 6. Really good tequila for making frozen margaritas. You're going to need 2 ounces. The perfect pour. 1 ounce of good old triple sec. Can't have a frozen margarita without triple sec. I mean, come on. If you want to be fancy, use Grand Marnier. We're going to sweeten things up with some agave syrup. Now, agave syrup is just agave nectar, 1-to-1 with water, 1.5 ounces. Freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce. Lime and tequila. Has there ever been a better combination? I have 1 cup of ice, and yes, I do measure it. Beautiful, slushy, frozen margarita. And a little bit left over for me. Oh, so good. Mrs. Zamora, I made this bad boy for you.
It is really good, and especially with this crazy weather, summertime, oh, perfect.
Mrs. Zamora approved, and Supremacia Tequila made it all happen.